Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic. This is a very exciting topic for a lot of my viewers. It's regarding Terra Luna Classic. A lot has been happening with the price of Terra Luna Classic, a lot of things to cover. And is this a time to worry? We are seeing a little bit of a consolidation happen within the price of Terra Luna Classic. So I wanted to cover that with you guys and give you guys some next price targets for Terra Luna Classic in this upcoming week and as we approach the end of February. But before we begin, you guys already know the disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Looking at the price of Terra Luna Classic, it is currently trading at 0.00019 cents, and it is down about 4% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, as well as about 4.5% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. And right before we get into it, I just want to let you guys know that Terra Luna Classic is holding really strongly around this range, and there's nothing to worry about, and I'll tell you exactly why as we go into the video. Now, looking at 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $243 million. We have not seen this type of buying pressure for quite some time for Terra Luna Classic. So now let's get right into the charts and see what are some next price targets we should be looking at and where the price could be going in the immediate short term. So right away, you guys can see we were battling between this level of resistance at that 1.7 cents mark for months and months, and every single time you guys can see the price tried to break out of here, it was a rejection. We never ever managed to close above it, and I mentioned to you guys that this move is coming. Majority of the cryptocurrency markets as the year of 2023 started were following the Bitcoin momentum and seeing gains, and there was one project that was lagging behind, and which was Terra Luna Classic, and we have finally saw that breakout just 2 days back. A lot of excitement. USTC went absolutely crazy, and the reason as to why this is because obviously number one, the community, number two, the burn, and the biggest catalyst of them all, Binance. Binance is a huge supporter on Terra Luna Classic, and recently they removed the warning signs, and that really created a lot of excitement, and I believe whales really took advantage, because you guys need to understand whales are always people with, if you guys don't know what whales are, these guys are people with massive money. They're always looking for opportunities where they can make gains, and they are aware of all the projects that have not pumped up yet, that are lagging behind. So I think they really took that warning removal with a lot of seriousness as the price really went insane. And one thing I wanted to share with you guys is, look, it's holding really well right now. You guys can see what I originally said was we need to close above this level of resistance, which now is going to play as a support level. And you guys can see every single time, as mentioned earlier, we broke above it, but never ever managed to close above this level of resistance. But this time around, this is the third day in a row we're trading around this range. But guess what's happening now? These wicks that you guys can see, I like teaching my viewers stuff too. You guys can see these wicks that we did, which all were rejected initially, are now playing as a level of support because the price is holding at literally those wick levels. And what does this mean for the price of Terra Luna Classic? This is showing us strength. This is not just a regular quick pump on the futures and manipulation that happened. We're seeing a lot of excitement come in, and I really do believe this is just the start. The real fireworks are now about to begin once we cross this 2.14 cents mark. We have not seen the price above this level since right after the FTX collapse, and I don't really count this wick over here very seriously, because this wick right here was mainly futures trading, and you guys know futures trading is extremely manipulated, so I would strongly encourage you guys to stay away from that zone. So like I said, once we break out of here, guys, I really do believe Terra Luna Classic is going to start its real upwards trend formation pattern forming. If I bring out the hourly time frame, look how beautiful this is looking. You guys can get a better picture as to what is going on. We've been trading sideways, but we cannot break below this 186 cents mark. This is a major level of support that is playing out for us. If we lose that, we could see a little bit of more downside, but I'm totally fine as long as the price stays above this level of support, which was a level of resistance for us for such a long time. On the hourly, you guys can get a better understanding. Every single time we even went above it, we just never managed to close above it. So far so good. My next price target I'm looking at would be around this 2.1 cents mark. It's a massive level of resistance as well. If we break out of here, things can start looking very, very nice. And obviously we're gonna get a bunch of people come out and say, Terra Luna Classic, the people that want Terra Luna Classic to fail are gonna come out and say Terra Luna Classic has not pumped up and all that good stuff. The answer to them is you can go for yourself and see from December 17th, if you picked up some Terra Luna Classic, you're up about 60%. That's the answer for these type of people. And look at the pattern though. Look at this price pattern. Looking insanely bullish. We're creating higher highs, and that is very, very nice, and we're clearly in an upwards trend. This does not even require any TA expert to tell us that we are in an upwards trend. And remember guys, Terra Luna Classic, I believe, as I've always said, because of the support from Binance, is going to make history, considering the direction it's heading. If they really ramp up this burn, I really do believe in the bull market. This is just the start of the bull market. When the bull market really returns, when things go insanely parabolic, I believe Terra Luna Classic is going to be one of the coins that is going to really do quite well. But again, this is what I want you guys to keep in mind. Make sure you have an exit strategy in place, because if you just keep holding your bags, 99% of the time you're going to get burnt out when the bear market or the top does come. So always create yourself an exit strategy where you know where to take profits out of from, where you can cash out without having any hesitation. That's what I want my viewers to be doing. And if you guys need help, I'm kind of working on something where maybe I can make like a guide for you guys. I'm working on something behind the scenes right now. As soon as I have a little bit more information on that, I will let you guys know. But now, looking at the price of Bitcoin, once again has been holding quite well, but we need to keep one factor in mind that can affect the price of Bitcoin along with entire cryptocurrency market. Obviously no one wants to hear this right now, but remember, the year of 2023 has started off on such a positive note. I'm extremely bullish on the entire markets because we're above $22,000 mark. But one thing I want you guys to remember is that the DXY index, the US dollar, has been increasing. So what does that mean? Now you may be saying, how does that affect the cryptocurrency market? So historically speaking, when the DXY goes up, we do see a negative correlation with the cryptocurrency market. So the crypto starts to go down when the DXY goes up. So recently we are seeing the DXY starting to go up. So that's something we need to keep in mind very, very closely in case Bitcoin were to see a little bit of a shake off. But let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price going. And thank you so much for all the support you guys are showing me. I'm bringing you guys these updates every other day. So if you guys like these type of videos, smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button. See you guys tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.